The NOBE area of the East Bay has become one of the most central and sought-after neighborhoods in the country. Hi, I'm Claudia Mills, and here on a quiet cul-de-sac in the heart of NOBE is the latest creation of Millennium Living Spaces, 918 60th Street. This 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home has been exquisitely reimagined and remodeled with all the whistles and bells that a millennium home is known for. You enter via an impressive custom mahogany door, which is a trademark of a millennium home. You're drawn to the immense great room, which pulls you to the opposite end of the home. Here is the heart of this home, and it at once feels elegant and supremely comfortable. Millennium went the extra distance by opening the room to the outside with not only one, but 2 folding mahogany doors, effectively merging the inside with the outside. This has the effect of making the home feel even larger than it in fact is, and takes maximum advantage of the East Bay's 9 months of flawless weather. The side door opens to a charming outdoor dining area, perfect for warm summer evenings. But in case it gets chilly, moving inside brings you to the gorgeous protection of the great room. The kitchen is part of this room, but separate, as it's swathed in high-end appliances and deluxe finishes. Who wouldn't want to cook in here? Then it's up the stairs to the living quarters. The primary suite is magnificent, with a large, elegant bedroom with massive window exposure. It's outdone only by the accompanying spa-inspired bath with its high-end finishes, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. At the top of the stairs, there's a lovely family area with an adjacent office nook. Multiple skylights and its large fenestration will keep this area light-filled all day long. The other 2 bedrooms on this floor are amply sized and filled with light. They share a beautifully detailed bath. The 4th bedroom, with its ensuite bath, is downstairs near the entry and is perfect as a guest room or even an office. But the one area we haven't talked about is the substantial garden, with its large lawn and planting beds and outbuilding, perfect as a yoga room or Zoom room. It truly is part of the house. But in all real estate, you can't ascribe value without talking about location, and 918 60th is in an East Bay sweet spot. Within a few blocks, you're close to the Ashby BART station, local parks, and the retail centers of Temescal and Rockridge. A dream home in a dream location. You don't want to miss this one. If I can answer any questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 510-350-6419. And thanks so much for watching.